Welcome back to my channel Cars is Car. Today, we're exploring the essence of modern luxury with the Rolls-Royce Ghost. Known for its elegance, power, and craftsmanship, the Ghost is the perfect blend of sophistication and high performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car one of the most coveted luxury sedans in the world. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the Rolls-Royce Ghost commands attention with a more understated elegance compared to its phantom sibling. The Pantheon grille up front is unmistakable, highlighted by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, which can even illuminate at night. The design flows seamlessly from the grille to the rear, with a smooth, minimalist look that exudes refined luxury. The Ghost's aluminum body architecture is both lightweight and rigid, improving overall efficiency and stability. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modernity, while the bold 21-inch alloy wheels complete the look, giving the Ghost a powerful yet sophisticated road presence. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Rolls-Royce Ghost packs a powerful 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that delivers around 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. This car is designed to offer a smooth, effortless drive with a near-silent cabin that gives you the feel of floating over the road. Rolls-Royce's planar suspension system makes its debut here, offering one of the smoothest rides possible by actively adjusting to road conditions. Paired with all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering, the Ghost is surprisingly agile for its size, providing not just luxury, but a responsive driving experience that's perfect for city streets and highways alike. Interior. Step inside the Ghost, and you're in a world of pure luxury. Rolls-Royce has spared no expense in creating an interior that feels like a private sanctuary. The seats are upholstered in the finest hand-stitched leather, and you'll find custom wood veneers and polished metal accents throughout. The Starlight headliner adds a unique touch, with hundreds of fiber-optic lights that mimic a starry sky, bringing an ambience that is both relaxing and mesmerizing. In terms of tech, the Ghost is equipped with Rolls-Royce's advanced infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution display, touch controls, and voice recognition. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, and for rear-seat passengers, there's an entertainment system with dual screens, making every ride as enjoyable as it is luxurious. Unique selling points. So, what sets the Rolls-Royce Ghost apart in the world of luxury cars? It's all about bespoke craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each Ghost can be personalized down to the smallest detail, from custom colors and materials to exclusive trim options. Rolls-Royce has also focused on creating a post-opulent aesthetic with the Ghost, meaning it's luxurious without being overly flashy. This car also benefits from cutting-edge noise-canceling technology, creating what Rolls-Royce calls the Whispering Gallery, ensuring a quiet, serene ride for all passengers. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Ghost is a perfect blend of elegance, power, and exclusivity. With its minimalist yet luxurious design, state-of-the-art technology, and impressive performance, it's a car that redefines what it means to drive in style. So, what do you think of the Ghost? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.